Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could link your PC or laptop to your mobile phone using Bluetooth. To do so, turn on first the Bluetooth in your mobile phone as you usually do. Next step, on the right side of your taskbar, you want to click on this notification section and you want to click on Bluetooth to make sure that your Bluetooth is connected. Next step, this little Bluetooth icon will appear. If you don't see it here, that's not a problem. Just go to your search tab and type Bluetooth, and it should show you another device's settings and click on it. As a next step, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Click on Bluetooth, mice, keyboards, pens, or audio, and wait a few seconds. After a few seconds to 1 minute, you should be able to see your mobile phone or the available devices. Make sure that your mobile phone is connected accordingly. Here I see my mobile phone, so I will just go ahead and click on connect. Make sure that you are having your phone in your hand and click on pair, and it should show you the name of your laptop and the passkey. Click OK and wait a few seconds. Click done. Now we're going to check the devices which are linked. Here I see my mobile phone. Under other devices, I see my phone and I see connected. Now you can start sharing files between your laptop and your mobile phone without issues. To disconnect, it's enough to click on the Bluetooth to turn it off from your laptop or to turn it off from your mobile phone. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.